There are two customizable display screens. The factory default for display 1 is set to show flow rate and the batch total. You can cycle between the displays by hitting the display key. The default for display screen 2 is to show the density and temperature. You can customize what is displayed on each of these screens by pressing and holding down the P key. Start by using the down key to cycle to display mode. Press the P key to enter into the menu. Hit the down key until you cycle to display mode and then press the P key again to enter. Your first selection is for display 1. Pressing the P key will enter into your options for display 1. You can then cycle between either a dual line display or single line display. Your first option will be for the top line. You can cycle through your different options for rate, patch total, density, temperature, grand total, frequency out, and milliamp outputs. Press P to enter your selection. You can then enter your value for line 2, once again pressing P to enter. Hit the down key to cycle to display number 2, and then press P to enter into the menu. You will have the same options available as in your first display. Once set, press the P key to enter it in. You can then exit out back to the main menu.